Hello, and thank you for joining us for this brief web tutorial hosted by NJCAR. Your presenter today is Sue Sabaro, Director of NJCAR Motor Vehicle Operations. And today she's going to cover a brand new motor vehicle form that will be replacing a variety of other forms. So now I'd like to turn things over to Sue.
Hello. The Universal Title Application, also referred to as a UTA, was created by the New Jersey Motor Vehicle Commission to streamline the New Jersey titling process. Beginning in February 2020, the UTA form will be used for multiple title transactions. The UTA must be attached to any out-of-state title being presented for titling in New Jersey. It will also be used when applying for duplicate, replacement, and corrected New Jersey titles, when adding a lien to an existing New Jersey title, when titling a boat, and when registering any non-titled vehicle, such as an ATV or trailer. Each time a universal title application is completed, indicate the title transaction type in Step 1 on the form. Complete the steps on the remainder of the form that are applicable to the transaction type. Complete either vehicle information or vessel information. Owner information is always required. In Step 4, complete lien information only if adding a lien to a new or existing title. Although it contradicts with what the form indicates, do not indicate a lien that you wish to have removed from the title record. Step 6 is only used when applying for a duplicate title. Step 7 is only required for mail-in transactions. The Motor Vehicle Commission has not announced a cutoff date for the old forms, but they will no longer be available on the website or in agencies. If you work at a dealership, it would be wise to dispose of any old applications and transition to the Universal Title application as soon as possible. The application for Certificate of Ownership, often referred to as a CO7, is replaced by the Universal Title application when applying for a New Jersey title with an out-of-state title document. Your New Jersey sales tax stamp should be placed on the top right border of the form. If your sales tax stamp will not fit in the border, make copies of the form, leaving the back blank, and stamp the back of the form. The duplicate title application is replaced by the universal title application when applying for a duplicate New Jersey title. The UTA will also be used when applying for a replacement New Jersey title. And the MBS2 vehicle correction application is replaced by the universal title application when applying for a corrected New Jersey title. The application for Certificate of Title of Vessel is replaced by the Universal Title application when applying for a boat title. The UTA is also used for non-titled boats, trailers, and ATVs. Lastly, the financing statement is replaced by the Universal Title application when adding a lien to an existing New Jersey title. The Universal Title application is relatively self-explanatory. If you have questions that have not been addressed in this tutorial, email them to info@njcar.org.